Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be a lovely collection of linen silk sarees. It's going to be some amazing colors and lovely vibrant color combinations. And these sarees will be slightly transparent. And I wish regarding the maintenance of the sarees, please do dry cleaning for these sarees for the first time, and later you do a simple hand wash for these kind of sarees, because it's all going to be slightly a silkish material. Shine will be there in the saree. Very soft and flimsy material. It's going to be lovely collections, beautiful bandhani and shibori designs we have in this with vibrant colors. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a very beautiful linen silk saree. The material will be a slightly transparent material. I'll show you. If it's a single layer, it's going to be a slightly transparent material. If you pleat it, it will not be too transparent. It's a very beautiful saree in batik pattern. Both the sides we have a lovely silver zari on it, a big and small border pattern, and throughout the body it's a beautiful shibori and bandhani mixed design. Lovely pattern, pink and navy blue combination. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is in contrast navy blue, and the price of this saree is 560. We have some amazing combinations in this. I'll show you the other colors. The next color combo in the same pattern is going to be with tomato pink and maroon. More of a brinjal shade. I'll show you the color. See, this is the body. You can have a full view of it. A very beautiful color combination. And the pallu of the saree will be like this. And we have a contrast blouse for all these sarees. The next color combo in the same pattern is a yellow with a green. Beautiful, lovely shade. Look at the beautiful shade. So nice. It's such a flowy material. Whoever likes flowy material, whoever likes pleated, they don't want transparent materials, please check out the material and buy these kind of sarees. It's a yellow with a blue, beautiful green color combination. The next is going to be a lovely blue with violet combo. So this is the body of the saree. Lovely color combination, very pretty combos. And this is the pallu of the saree, and all these sarees are priced at 560. The next is going to be a light ramar green with a navy blue combination, all tissue borders in silver zaris. Very beautiful shades. This is the body of the saree, and this is the pallu. And the price of this saree is 560. And in that design, the last shade is going to be in red with yellow. Beautiful yellow and red combo. So this is going to be the body of the saree. A lovely yellow with red. And this is the pallu. Beautiful shade. And the price of this saree is 560. This is a beautiful orange and maroon color combination. Same linen silk material, a lovely design with shibori and bandhani together. A beautiful combination, lovely pattern, very pretty color. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is in contrast maroon. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 600. This is a beautiful linen silk material again, a very lovely border, a big and small border pattern with shibori print and bandhani design on the top. Very beautiful color combination. What a wow saree this is. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is in blue. Very beautiful saree. The price of this saree is 560. We have some lovely amazing combinations, all nice bright combinations in these kind of sarees. The next is going to be maroon with orange shade. Beautiful maroon with orange shade in that. So this is the body of the saree. Beautiful maroon with orange, lovely shade. The next is going to be red and yellow combo. Beautiful red and yellow combination. So this is the body of the saree. a lovely red and yellow. The next is going to be pink and off-white base, more of a sandal base than off-white. It's sandal. Lovely color combos, beautiful designs, all in the linen silk. Quite a flimsy material, a soft flimsy material. The next is going to be navy blue with peacock green. A beautiful navy blue with peacock green shade. Very lovely color combo. And the next color combination, the same pattern, is going to be green with yellow combo. A parrot green, a nice parrot green. Lovely shade, beautiful parrot green. And the price of this saree is 560. This is again a beautiful shibori print design and bandhani mix design in the same linen material. A small and big border pattern in tissues, in silver tissue borders. What a lovely design. Look at the design. It's so beautiful. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is in pink. And the price of this saree is also 560. Very less price sarees. Beautiful colors we have in that. The next is going to be a lovely blue. So this is the body of the saree. I'll just open slightly and show you. Yep, this is the body of the saree. Beautiful blue. The next is going to be navy blue. Lovely colorful combinations. Wow, see how beautiful the saree looks. It's amazing. Navy blue. Next is going to be a lovely red. The shibori and bandhani together just do magics in the saree, I guess. If you wear it, it's going to be so class. Beautiful pattern. Lovely design. The next is going to be orange. Lovely orange. Such a wow combinations. Lovely orange. And the next is going to be a beautiful indigo blue, or more of an MS blue. Such wow combinations, such wow lovely sarees. And the price of this saree is 560. It's a beautiful maroon and orange color mix saree. Such a lovely bandhani shibori saree. A tissue border, silver tissue borders on both the sides of the saree. And a lovely pattern. What a wow design. What a wow patterns. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is in maroon. Such lovely blouse. And the price of this saree is 560. We have some lovely combinations in this also. All beautiful lovely shades in all these sarees. Navy blue with green. Lots of you are asking why don't I speak in Tamil. It's not like I don't want to, but because everybody is seeing in other states also. கொஞ்சம் தமிழும் பேசுறேன் இனிமேல் எல்லா வீடியோஸ்லயும். This is blue and green mix. அடுத்தது yellow and red. Next is a beautiful yellow and red. See the wow bright colors. என்ன அழகா இருக்கு இந்த sareesலாம். Such lovely colors. Just comment about the colors when you see these colors. How vibrating colors these are. And the price is going to be so less. Sorry. It's a pink and off-white sandal shade. Pink and off-white. Beautiful shade. The next is going to be parrot green. Parrot green with light yellow or a white and light sandal mix shade. Lovely color combos. And the last in the lot is going to be a beautiful blue and MS blue with a beautiful MS blue with lovely Ananda blue. Beautiful shade, lovely colors. and the price of this sari is 560. This is again in the same shibori pattern design, a beautiful one. This is both the sides we have the same length of silver border, a beautiful small length silver border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful bandhani design running along the body with shiboris on the sides. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is again in contrast red, and the price of this sari is 560. We have some lovely combinations in this also. This is a red and a yellow. This is a small length borders. The next is going to be beautiful green with yellow. See what lovely color combinations these saris are. Such beauties these saris. Green and yellow. Next is going to be navy blue with a light sapphire green. Again a very very lovely combo. Beautiful navy blue with sapphire green. What a wow combination. The next is going to be a beautiful MS blue with Ananda blue shade. This is a quite a common, the shades are more similar in all the patterns, but beautiful vibrant colors. Beautiful over color. Maroon and orange. A lovely maroon with orange. Beautiful shade. And the last in the lot is going to be a lovely pink. Pink with beautiful pink with sandal shade. Beautiful shade and lovely color. And the price of this sari is 560. This is a beautiful Jari checks pattern design. Pink and navy blue combination. Lovely design. Both the sides silver zari, and throughout the body we have a lovely silver Jari checks also in the bandhani and shibori print. More of a tie and dye pattern this is. A lovely design. And this is the pallu of the sari. And the blouse of the sari is in navy blue. We have some lovely color combination in this also. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be a beautiful tomato pink with maroon color. Lovely shade. Beautiful tomato pink with maroon. Lovely pattern. And this is the pallu. The next is going to be a very very beautiful sapphire green with navy blue combination. These Jari checks will look really pretty. Very beautiful colors, lovely designs, and all these saris are priced at 600. The next in the lot is going to be a lovely yellow with beautiful yellow with red combo. Lovely yellow with red combo. Very very beautiful shade, lovely design. And this is the pallu. And the next is going to be Ananda blue with royal blue. What a wow shades, what a wow colors, what a wow design. Looks class. And the next is going to be such a lovely shade. It's a beautiful orange and black combo. Lovely black and orange combo. Beautiful shade. And the price of this sari is 600. This is a beautiful bandhani design. Lovely pattern in the linen silk material. Both the sides silver zari. A lovely beautiful design. Throughout the body it's a beautiful bandhani design. And this is the pallu of the sari with tassels. And the blouse of the sari is this. Beautiful blouse. Very very pretty design. And the price of this sari is 550. In the same linen silk material, it's a beautiful black with the orange color bandhani design. Both the sides silver zari. This is the body of the sari. A beautiful color, lovely design. Black and orange. The next is going to be a light lime green, or more of an apple green, that kind of a shade. And the bandhani print is in yellow. Very beautiful color. Lovely pattern. And the next color in the same pattern is red. stunning colors, really stunning colors. Red and yellow. And the next is going to be navy blue with pink. See how beautiful colors. What a wow combinations. Very, very pretty colors. Navy blue with pink. And the next is a maroon with off-white shade. Maroon with off-white. Lovely shade. And the price of this saree is 550. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely stunning colors and the lovely sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.